Hello, today we will guide you through how to set a stop loss and take profit on Axiom Pro. In this walkthrough, we'll show you how to access a token page and use the advanced trading tools to add both a take profit and a stop loss. These tools can help you plan your trade ahead of time, which is useful if you want to manage risk and define your exit strategy more clearly. To begin, open Axiom Pro and go to the Discover page for the SOL network. This is where you can browse available tokens and open the market you want to work with. If you're following along for practice, it's fine to use a sample meme coin, just as shown here. Once you're on the Discover page, click on the sample meme coin to open its trading page. This will take you into the detailed view for that token, where you can access charts, trade settings, and additional strategy options. Make sure you're on the correct token page before moving forward, since the settings you add will apply to that market. Next, look over to the right-hand panel and click on Advanced Trading Strategy. This section is where Axiom Pro lets you set up automated trade conditions, including profit targets and loss protection. Opening this panel is the key step that gives you access to those controls. Inside the Advanced Trading Strategy area, click Add. This opens the menu where you can choose which type of strategy or condition you want to create first. From the available options, click Take Profit. A take profit order is typically used to lock in gains once the asset reaches a price level you're targeting. Selecting it here tells the platform that you want to prepare an automatic profit-taking action for this position. After that, click Add again. This allows you to create an additional strategy rule instead of stopping with only one condition. In this case, you're adding a second layer of trade management, so your setup can include both upside planning and downside protection. Now choose Stop Loss. A stop loss is used to help limit potential losses if the price moves against your position. By adding it after the take profit, you create a more complete trading plan directly inside Axiom Pro. Once both options have been added, you'll have the foundation of a simple risk management setup in place. As a general tip, take a moment to review your selections carefully before confirming any live trade settings, especially when working in fast-moving markets. That's it. You now know how to set a stop loss and take profit on Axiom Pro.